Dear students, once again welcome to all of you. In previous lecture, we have started unit number 4, Computer Application in Commerce. Now, today we are going to discuss the topic what is the e-commerce, advantages and disadvantages of e-commerce and functions of e-commerce. So let us start. What is a e-commerce? Electronic commerce, commonly known as e-commerce. E-commerce is the buying and selling of product, services and information through network including the internet. So students, first of all, commerce is an important part of a business. It is an interchange of goods or commodities. In simple word, commerce is nothing but buying and selling of goods. That means when we buy a product or service from others or sell a product or service to others, then it is called commerce. So the commerce means the trading of goods and services. If we say a proper definition of commerce, then it can be defined as the field of study that deals with the business and its operation. Now, what is a e-commerce? Difference between commerce and e-commerce. So, what is a e-commerce? If we do any type of trading or commerce electronically, then it is called e-commerce. Simply, we can say that e-commerce or electronic commerce is the process of buying or selling goods, product or services over the electronic medium. Here, internet is used as the primary electronic medium or network to do this type of transaction. In other words, e-commerce is a medium of trading for goods and services between buyer and seller through an electronic medium. E-commerce is also referred as a paperless exchange of a business information using EDI. It means electronic data interchange, email, electronic fund transfer, etc. And for example of e-commerce website, Amazon, eBay, Flipkart, etc. are the world leading e-commerce website. And e-payment systems are widely used in those electronic commerce sites. Here we generally use various e-payment methods like credit or debit card, internet banking, e-wallet for buying or selling product. Okay, so it is a e-commerce. Next, we will discuss the advantages of e-commerce. So students, there are so many advantages of e-commerce. First of all, the concept of e-commerce is all about using the internet to do business better and faster. So students, e-commerce offer consumer more option and provide quicker delivery of product and services. Some e-commerce company provide free home delivery service to their consumer. Next, e-commerce increase the productivity of the organization. Here, there are so many organizations are use e-commerce system. So, there are no custom duties to put on product bought and traded global electronically. E-commerce provides the global marketplace from where consumer can purchase product according to their need, situated anywhere in the world. Next advantage, e-commerce reduce paperwork a lot. Students, the product available on website have reduced prices because the different stages of value chain are decreased between source and destination. The intermediaries such as the retail store are eliminated by the company and they sell their product to consumer directly instead of distributing through intermediary. Next, e-commerce help organization to provide better custom services. It means online business provide their consumer more choices of purchasing. Before purchasing any product, consumer can study product and their feature of all major brand. Next is e-commerce application provide user more option and quicker delivery of product. Next is it can help organization do business 7 days a day, a week and 24 hours a day. It means online business are open 24 hours, 7 days a week and 365 days in a year and never it sleep. Consumer can do transaction and inquiry about any product or services provided by company at any time and anywhere from global. Consumer can purchase any product in day or night using internet connection and computer at single click of mouse. Next is customer can easily select product from different provider without moving around physically. So these all are the advantages of e-commerce. Next we will discuss the disadvantages of e-commerce. First, no guarantee of product quality because of it is an online business. Next, the buyer cannot touch or feel the product online. It means consumer may want to touch and feel a product before purchasing online. Online business do not provide the touch and feel experience to consumer on item such as the clothes, shoes, etc. Next, difficult to ensure security or privacy on online transaction. The major issues in online business are security and privacy. Customer feel hesitant to disclose credit card number over internet because of security problems such as a theft of credit card number. If consumer do not have any confidence on the online business, they will refuse to purchase anything over the internet. Next one is the lack of touch or feel of product during online shopping. Next, it is difficult to know when an online site is safe to use. Students, when a buyer and seller do not know each other, there are chances of fraud over the internet. Hence, there are many legal problems related to e-commerce. Some common legal issues in e-commerce are like software and copyright violation, credit card fraud, and legal bargaining and criminal laws. Okay. Next, the customer has to wait for delivery of their product. So, these all are the disadvantages of e-commerce. Next, we will discuss functions of e-commerce. First, communication. It is related with exchange of information or document for carrying out business transaction. For example, email. It is aimed at the delivery of required information and document to facilitate business transaction. Communication means the exchange of business from one part of the business to another part. Marketing is primary about communication and e-commerce communication is much more than a collection of a word. Marketing communication include promotional, sales communication that encourage immediate purchases and branding communication that focus on admiring the differentiable benefits of consuming a product or service. There are many different forms of online communication, including online advertising, email marketing, online catalog, social marketing, targeted marketing, etc. Next, process management function. It includes computerization and improvement of business processes. For example, connecting two computers in networking to share and transfer data instead of manually copying information from one computer to another. A process is any part of organization that take place, input and transform them into output. It is hope are greater value to organization than the original input. Process can be categorized in different ways. One way to categorize process is based on what they do. There are different processes such as job shop is the one of kind production of a product to customer order, and batch shop assembly line and continuous flow. Okay, so process management involve process selection, planning, analysis. It is the essence of operation management. Process management is also subject to the well-known rule that time is money. Next is service management function. This is related with applying technology to improve the quality of service. For example, Federal Express website. It allows customer to follow shipment and schedule pickup 24 hours a day with a worldwide network automatically without taking the help of service representative. Customer service is improved because of site. Customer service is the provision of service to customer before, during and after a purchase. Okay. So, customer relationship management is a new approach to customer service that take all areas into consideration. Okay. Next, transaction capabilities. It allows buying and selling on the internet or allow to carry out any online service. For example, retail website of Amazon.com and REI. It provides the ability to buy or sell on the internet or some other online services. It increases the range of transaction among market elements, and it is also guaranteed time and cost saving environment for any business model. Transaction capabilities provide deep facility to buy or sell on the internet or some other online service. The retail websites such as Amazon.com, Netcom.com and Jaldi.com, etc. So, these all are the functions of e-commerce. So students, today our 4 unit was completed. Thank you.